Cajon Drummers, welcome back to another video here on Cajon Groove Guide. Today we've got a more advanced lesson. We're going to create a groove using finger technique and a 5-stroke roll rudiment. So before we do anything else, let's get stuck into a quick demonstration of that finger technique in a 5-stroke roll. So let's cut to that first, and then we'll put the whole thing together step by step. Let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that's definitely going to be the most difficult part of this groove. So we might need to spend a bit more time just practicing that alone. But to keep things moving in this video, let's take the whole 2-bar groove, play it at a really slow tempo first. That 5-stroke roll is going to be right in the middle of the bar. So yeah, let's give it a shot. Here we go, nice and slow. Okay, so that groove really isn't anything spectacular at that tempo, but I hope you're getting excited like me because as we speed it up, it's going to really start to take shape. So, on to the next tempo, let's go. And so on to the important question of how and when to use this groove. I think it's absolutely a show-off groove. I've designed it as such. It's not something we can deny. It's probably only appropriate in a solo or something like that. But leave me a comment down below this video if you do learn this groove. How do you intend to use it? Let me know. Okay, so let's bring up the tempo now. So just thinking of anything that we should be careful of or anything we need to focus on while practicing this groove, I think the main thing is right after those groups of 5, those 5-stroke rolls with the fingers, I think the next note should be really strong and kind of right in place to really support those sections. If we go in and out of that digga-digga-da, digga-digga-da, without kind of a lot of confidence on either side, it can sound out of place. So yeah, maybe just think about that. The very last note, or the very first note after the groups of 5 should be really strong and confident, I think, yeah. So I think I'm gonna bring up the tempo one more time and then that's my absolute limit. I can't play it any faster right now. Got it. That's it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this advanced lesson. I hope that you can maybe add this into your playing, come up with some ideas yourself, experiment a bit, and hopefully create some really ripper cajon solos with this little groove in mind. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like or a comment down below. Let me know what you thought. If you'd like to see more videos like this in the future, please subscribe to my channel here on YouTube. And yeah, if you're looking for more things to learn right now, have a look on my channel page. There are different playlists for different techniques, different levels. So there's a beginner playlist, intermediate playlist, advanced playlist. If you want to do some more practice right now, have a look at one of those playlists. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Happy practice. See you later. Bye.